Hey drillers, it's Adam Jupe. I just wanted to remind you guys that the live stream will be today, June 1st, 2020 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to check in on the Independent Drill channel to see the live stream and watch me go over my drill videos from 2009 to 2018. So that live stream will be in support of a Patreon that, if you're watching this video right now, that Patreon is launched, and I'd like to discuss the tiers. So starting with Tier 1. Tier 1 of the Patreon is only $1 a month, and what you'll get for that is you'll get early access to the new trick library instructional videos as they're produced. I'll be working through the summer to get ahead on the trick library videos for the next school year, but the minute they're done and uploaded to YouTube, they will be posted for viewing on Patreon. I tend to produce a lot of my videos in advance, and then they sit in the queue for release date. But if you want to directly support me, for $1 a month, you'll get early access to all of those videos the minute they're posted. You'll get access and invites to Patreon-only live streams, and also, you'll get access to Patreon-only supplemental lessons that have been requested from the second tier and third tier. With that, let's talk about the second tier. The second tier, the Pro-Am package, is only $10 a month, and you'll get everything in Tier 1, but you'll also get priority requests for supplemental video lessons. So back in the day, I used to stand in front of a camera and discuss the trick live as I was going through it and move it piece by piece, and I want to be able to do that again as supplemental video lessons. And what you'll get for the $10 a month is the ability to request that. You'll also get your name in the credits of all trick library and instructional videos that are produced after you're a Patreon subscriber at this level. Also, as a subscriber of this tier, you're entitled to one video review per month, 10 minutes long, where I'll watch a drill video, could be anything, solo, tandem, team, exhibition, regulation, whatever you'd like me to watch, and I will give you a full and in-depth critique and review of what you did right, what you did wrong, where you might appear on the score sheet, and where you might need to go in the future. And during that time, you'll be able to request supplemental lessons. I'll probably be able to offer them up, like, hey, you should probably do some varials or things like that. And you'll have my full and undivided attention once per month to do an update video, and I'll be able to give you a full and in-depth analysis as a world championship driller and a former coach of a national high school drill team championship first place exhibition team. It could be you, it could be your friend, it could be anyone, any drill video you send my way, and that will be a review that is only for you, and it's specifically geared for whatever video that is sent my way. Now the last tier is a bit pricey, but what you get for it is so much more. It is the professional coaching package, and it's $100 a month, and there are only 5 slots available for it. And what it is I will be your personal digital coach for the entire school year for as long as you're a Patreon subscriber at this level. So you'll get everything from Tier 1 and Tier 2, but the big benefit is that you'll be able to send a drill video every single day, maximum 10 minutes long, where you'll get my full and undivided attention, critique and review. You'll also get absolute priority requests on supplemental lessons. So if I have a queue of lessons that people from the Pro-Am package have requested, and you request a different trick, that goes straight to the top, and it's the first thing I'm going to tackle the next time I'm making all of those videos. Also, once per month, we'll do a one-on-one phone call conversation, whether that's Zoom or phone or whatever, where we'll talk about your goals as a driller, where you should move forward, and you'll get very direct, immediate feedback. You'll be able to ask questions directly on that call. You'll have a one-line, single communication line to me to be able to ask anything you want. Now, I know this tier is very pricey, and I want to encourage you guys to be able to split this with the rest of your team. So, one video per day, 10 minutes long, gives you a lot of variety. You can send me a solo from you and your friend, and a tandem, and your team, and a regulation, all in the course of 1 week, and still have 2 videos left for me to review. So splitting this cost with other people and other people on your team is going to make it a lot more affordable. Again, there are only 5 slots available for this, but you'll have me for the entire year for as long as you're a Patreon subscriber. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to log into the live stream today and ask them. That live stream will be June 1st, 2020 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for watching. Even if you don't want to support me on Patreon, your views and following me on the videos really helps tremendously. Stay safe out there and happy drilling.